Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove password from your Excel sheet. So open an Excel sheet with a password. Here you can see it's asking for password. Give it and press on OK. Well, now for removing your password, go to this file option and go to protect workbook. Click on the ribbon and go to encrypt with password, and here your password is given by default. Remove it and choose OK and click on save. So yes, let's close it. Let's open it again. As you can see, the password is not asked this time. So yes, your password is removed. So this is how you can remove your password from your Excel sheet. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye bye.